Good morning, traders. Welcome to another Bitcoin and cryptocurrency morning update. This one's just going to be a very short one because Bitcoin has not really been doing anything at all today. So yeah, what have we got? We've had a nice bounce after the weekend massacre. That was kind of just crazy weekend massacre of everything. And now we've had a nice bounce out of that. We've changed market structure on the higher time frames for the first time since 2 weeks now. So really, yeah, you'd at least say the first time since 10th of May, and we're now looking at 2 weeks since any change of market structure on a higher term time frame, and we have got that with this move above this high. So yeah, let's just go back and have a look at these charts. You can see here we've got lower high, 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 and then finally we got that change of market structure now. So that's a nice little thing to start off with, is we do have that. We have also broken out of, on the log scale at least, we have broken out of that descending kind of trend that we had there. And we have also kind of broken through the resistance that we had from the zero 0.5 speed fan that was coming down, and it seems to be that we are making our way up towards this area of confluence, coming up higher, possibly later on today or later on this week. So yeah, I just want to go in a bit more locally today. We can have a look really at these key levels at the moment. So the weekly, this lower weekly was really the big bounce area off of this 32,290 area, and now we've managed to reclaim, for the first time really since it got the rejection off of it back here, we've reclaimed this weekly at 38,221. So yeah, price is just kind of chopping around that area. We have the VWAP for today, which there's a lot of touches on this, so you would expect maybe just more of a range bound day to form from this. And we do seem to be forming a nice little consolidation here within a little bit of a pennant, bull flag, whatever you want to call it, just around here. Okay. Anything else I can add to this chart? Yeah, so really, plan for today for myself is probably this continuation within this consolidation pattern that we have going on here, and at the moment I would probably favor a small break higher. I will be looking for potential short positions off of this daily, and then we do have some other levels higher up if we do get back up there. So we have the first kind of possibility that we have for a move up would be the rejection from this daily and maybe trade that back down to the weekly, or we could see a move above. You have your previous all-time high, which was resistance the last time we came into it last week, and then we have the old range low, so that is a wick from the old range that we have. If we were to zoom out, we can see this low here, which was, as we formed this earlier range, we had our high to our low, and our old range low is coming in at $43,000. So just kind of very local targets at the moment. I'm expecting a range bound day. Everything at the moment is pointing towards that, and maybe we get a move later on in the day or moving into tomorrow. And then these are the targets to the upside for that move. If we get these, I would be looking for short positions, but they will probably be more scalp to small day trade shorts. At the moment, we have reversed the trend, so we have changed market structure and we are trending upwards locally. So long positions are favoured at this stage. The only thing I would say is that whereas yesterday was a strong trending day, we can see we were continuously above VWAP and continuously above the daily point of control, is that we're now in one of those more, kind of sideways movement days. And every time we got a day like this last week, it just kept breaking down. We have sideways movement, break down. We have sideways movement, break down, sideways movement, break down. And it's about time that maybe does change. So plan for me would be probably continuation of this range for today, and then looking either up at here or up towards these levels. It'd be nice to take these highs, and then we can start looking at possibly a deeper retrace to get that larger kind of macro low in. The other area I will say as well is the 48k area. For me is a massive area of resistance. So if price does push through this 43 area, we do have this 45 200, and then we have this 48 to 50k area, which is going to, again, you would expect that to be very big resistance when we do get back up there, if we do get back up there. So really kind of simple. Not in a day trade at the moment. I am swing long, and I would be happy to hold that swing kind of position until sorry, just got distracted quickly. Happy to hold that swing position even if we do make a higher low down here. Cool. I think that is everything really on the Bitcoin chart. Ethereum, Litecoin, all the alts just following the same thing. So on Ethereum, we have reclaimed this daily level and it is holding that as support for now. So you can see we had that resistance on the initial kind of move through it, managed to hold it as support, and we're starting to build some value within this area here on Ethereum. So you would say this $2,500 area is important support now for Ethereum to hold. And this is based off of this daily from, again, the previous range it was in before it broke out. So holding above there is good, it's healthy. We could be looking for higher prices again on this if this can continue to hold. Litecoin, similar story, broken back above what was, so this monthly was trying to hold, we broke below, we're back above it now, so we could possibly be looking for continuation higher on this. And also similar to what Ethereum is doing, is it is reclaiming some of these important levels on the way back up. So you can see how we get this continued move above the weekly, come back and test the weekly, resistance on the daily, come back, test the daily 3 times before another move higher. Then we have our 2018 high, and we're in the process maybe of confirming this as support before a move higher again on this. So everything for me is kind of pointing towards range bound day with a slight bias towards a continuation higher, as long as I think right now these pennants that are forming will be any breakout of this, you would expect to get continuation onto either these levels, or if we do break to the downside, then we do have levels to be aware of on that. So I think we're probably too early to be talking about a deep retrace. I think things have to go a bit higher before we can think about deep retrace. But for me, this 382 would be quite a nice area. If we do break down, we could take the stops below this low here and then think about kind of reverting back and moving higher or higher throughout the rest of the day. Cool. That's about everything I want to go over today. But thanks again for watching. I will be around as usual in the Discord, and yeah, I will see you all on the next update. Hopefully tomorrow. Definitely, yeah, a few more updates this week. So yeah, we'll see what happens today. And yeah, cheers, guys.